My name is Ncube Lovelet, head Dimpamiwa Primary in Nkayi District, Mat North. I've just finished attending a workshop on instructional leadership. My takeaways are I learned a lot about a school vision. Schools have to draw up visions that are gender sensitive and include gender equality, which I believe as a staff at Dimpamiwa are going to sit and be in line with those expectations. We also learned more on instructional delegation to share leadership as a school staff. I think that is also something that we are practicing it, but I think it's going to improve on how we practice it, on how we carry out some of the duties. We learned so much on project-based, school-based projects, which have nothing to do with finance or money, which we actually adopted, and quite nice. Especially we have challenges or problems that we face as a school, which maybe we'll hope to address with what we've just got from the workshop. Finally, I think we also learned more on school tone and school culture as well as school climate. I think as Dimpamiwa Primary, we do practice and we do have a school tone, but I think we're going to take it a notch further.
All right.